Hello there, this is Jungle Survival. I'm going to be doing this video on an item that you can use for a vehicle when you're out there camping and on the foothills. Something they can use that is not it's something that's easy. Something you can use, and it's this. I got these. Few of them, different varieties. You know, the biggest thing about camping going out is having the proper lighting, power, limited power that you have. We got solar panels and all that stuff, but just in case of inconvenience, you got to hook everything all up. Here, these particularly, they have them solar power. These are battery powered, but they're efficient. So we'll be right back. Yeah, I put some new batteries in it. New batteries, and so we got this outdoors. I mean, it's your basic light, but tonight I will show you tonight. Its efficiency on the brightness and what it can do, how you can save money. You can buy a whole bunch of these for the price you pay for one. Trust me, I bought these really inexpensive and dirt cheap, and I was surprised, but they work effectively. And on my vehicle, I got some solar ones too, though. But these are water resistant. They've been out again. I've been out through a heavy winter this last year, and they did not go dead. I've not replaced them. You had the mounting. I had to mount them up there. The mounting's kind of weathered a little bit, and I had to replace the mountings using zip ties, but it worked. So we're gonna wait till tonight, and we're gonna show the performance at nighttime with no light, absolutely no light. And with that being said, we'll be back tonight. The thing is, I bought a pack of 20 at a 99-cent store for $3. Okay, these are AAA's, but I got the AA's inside. I opened the pack already. I replaced the batteries, but I bought some AAA's also too, which are on sale for $3. Okay, you don't deal with the wiring, 12-volt system. You always have light, and if you have a fixated light that's already installed, then you got extra lighting. But anyway, I don't get too lengthy. That's what I'll show you. But the main focus here, I had to modify these. Okay, you got these two little holes in the back here where my zip ties go into, my zip tie. But I had to drill two holes on top of there. So what I have to do is go in, put in the back side, and feed it to the top. Feed it to the top. It's gonna be harder than you think it is, but I did. It's easy. You could do it, but you feed it through the top, and you wrap it around your top rack. Let me see what I can do from the top down. Oh, there we go. Top down. There we go. That was easier. Top down. Do the other one. Make your holes on top. Top down to the ones on the bottom, already pre-existing. So I get this one. Well, this is going to be a little harder. Pain in the butt. Anyway. There she goes. There she goes. kind of both ends. All you do is wrap them around your rack, tying down. Oh, always good to get the real thick ones. I just got the moderate ones right now. You know, the thicker ones would be better. They won't break, or some of you can't break them off. But that's pretty much it. That's your mounting process on that. And tonight we'll show you the illuminations. And the good thing about these, they're rotatable. You can move in any direction you want this thing to be. Where your focal attention, your line of sight, wherever you're going to be at, where you're working at. You got that ability. You want concentrated light? You got concentrated light. You want off to the side, way to the side, not indirect, but to the sides totally. There we go. And inexpensive for the light. I'm not trying to sell you it. I'm not gonna tell you where I bought them, but take a look out for them. They're really inexpensive, and the batteries. You know, I got these for $1.50. Excuse me, no, retract that. $3. $3. But anyway, we'll see you tonight. We'll be right back. Okay. There we go. Of lights up front. But you can control these by go down more, get lower ground. Steps. About 8 yards away, 10 yards. It's doable. Not bad for battery power. There we go. And I'm gonna turn my headlight on. Okay, that's my headlight. There we go. Well, anyway, if you like the video, like and subscribe, make a comment, share the video. We hear Jingles say, be no do, be it, know it. Get out and do it. Out.